Cybercrime refers to illegal activities that are conducted through the internet or other digital communication networks. These crimes can range from financial fraud and identity theft to hacking and cyber harassment. Uttar Pradesh. UP Police, like many law enforcement agencies around the world, has dedicated units and processes to combat cybercrime. Types of cybercrime. Cybercrime encompasses a wide range of illegal activities. Some common types include 1. Hacking and unauthorized access system. Intrusion. Unauthorized access to computers or networks to steal, modify, or destroy data. Examples: breaking into online banking systems, corporate networks, or government databases. 2. Identity theft and financial fraud. Phishing. Fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information by disguising as a trustworthy entity. Credit card fraud. Unauthorized use of someone's credit card information to make purchases or withdraw money. 3. Cyberbullying and harassment online. Harassment, using digital platforms to harass, threaten, or intimidate someone. Cyberstalking, repeatedly using electronic communications to stalk or harass an individual. 4. Spreading malware and viruses. Malware, distributing malicious software designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems. Ransomware, malware that encrypts a victim's files and demands a ransom to decrypt them. 5. Child exploitation and pornography. Illegal content, creating, distributing, or possessing child pornography. Online grooming, engaging with minors online with the intention of exploiting them. 6. Intellectual property theft, piracy, unauthorized copying and distribution of copyrighted content, such as software, music, and movies. Trade secrets, stealing or leaking proprietary business information. Role of UP Police in combating cybercrime. 1. Cybercrime units. UP Police has specialized units dedicated to fighting cybercrime. These units are equipped with the skills and technology to investigate and address various types of cybercrimes. A. Cybercrime cell structure. The Cybercrime Cell is a specialized unit within UP Police dedicated to addressing cybercrime. Functions: investigate cybercrimes, supports other police units in technology-related cases, and collaborates with national and international agencies. 2. Investigation and enforcement. A. Complaint filing online portal. Victims can file complaints through the UP Police's online portal dedicated to cybercrimes. Police stations. Complaints can also be filed at local police stations, which will forward the case to the Cybercrime Cell if specialized investigation is required. B. Investigation process. Evidence collection, gathering digital evidence, such as IP addresses, emails, and online transaction records. Forensic analysis, using cyber forensics to analyze digital devices and recover data relevant to the crime. Interrogation and arrest, identifying and arresting suspects based on the evidence collected. C. Collaboration with other agencies. National collaboration, working with agencies such as the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT-IN, and the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. International collaboration, cooperating with international law enforcement bodies like Interpol in cases involving cross-border cybercrimes. Mechanisms and initiatives. 1. Awareness and education. A. Public awareness campaigns, workshops and seminars. Conducting educational workshops and seminars to raise awareness about cybercrime and preventive measures. Social media campaigns. Using social media platforms to disseminate information about cyber safety and best practices. B. School and college programs, educational programs. Partnering with educational institutions to teach students about safe internet practices and the dangers of cybercrime. Cyber clubs, encouraging schools and colleges to form cyber clubs that focus on spreading cyber awareness among students. 2. Training and capacity building. A. Officer training, specialized training programs, providing specialized training to police officers in cyber forensics, ethical hacking, and digital investigations. Certifications and courses, encouraging officers to pursue certifications and courses in cybersecurity and related fields. B. Technology and infrastructure advanced tools, equipping the cybercrime cell with advanced tools and software for digital forensics and cyber investigations. Operational centers, establishing cyber operation centers with capabilities for real-time monitoring and response to cyber threats.